Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a stylish and scroll smooth Instagram ad for brand marketing. Start with a white canvas around 1080 by 5400 pixels to fit 5 slides. Pick a bold color palette that reflects your brand theme and energy. Use modern fonts for heading. Keep your message short and impactful across each side. Place product image neatly using the pen tool to remove rough edges. Add subtle gradients and overlays to keep each frame visually connected. Keep spacing consistent between slides for a smooth scrolling experience. Once done, slice and export each frame separately. Read to upload to Instagram. The final crest